We know that India got independence on 15th August 1947. After independence, we needed a system to regulate the country and to ensure better lives of the people. To create such a system, around 300 people from different parts of the country formed the Constituent Assembly. In this Constituent Assembly, there were 15 women as well. Members of this assembly were of different backgrounds, religions, caste, beliefs, political ideology, and professions. All of them came together, debated, and discussed all the important issues and principles. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly. It had 22 committees. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was the chairperson of the drafting committee. Do you know this process of making of the constitution took the time of 2 years, 11 months and 17 days? There were intense discussions to finalize the full document. During these discussions, the most important thing to be ensured was the protection of rights of all the people. Originally, it was written in Hindi and English. Later, it was translated in different languages. At present, the Constitution is available on the internet in all the official languages of India. The Constitution was ready and was adopted on 26 November 1949. We celebrate this day as the Constitution Day. And on 26 January 1950, our Constitution came into force. We celebrate this day as Republic Day. Let's come together to deeply know and understand our Constitution so that we are able to make our life and country better.